painting Moonrise. First, start with some white paint and paint in the middle of your canvas using a medium-sized brush. I like to add a little water on my brush just so that my paint can spread more evenly. Without rinsing your brush, take a little bit of your turquoise paint and some water and start blending from outwards into your white on both ends. Without rinsing your brush, take some cobalt blue and start blending outwards into your turquoise. Repeat the same process at the top of your canvas. Clean your brush, get some white paint, repaint your white section, and blend into the turquoise section of your painting using a little bit of water so it could give it a smooth blend. Don't go too far up because you do want to leave some of your blue paint, but just blend a little bit of white paint at a time so that you have a nice transition in between colors, but still leaving some of your blue. Give your brush a good clean and take some purple paint and start blending it into your blue. With a little bit of water on your brush, start blending in all of the colors so that they start to marry into each other. Without cleaning your brush, just adding a little bit of water to the tip of it, get some purple paint and do the same thing at the bottom portion of your canvas, blending in purple into your dark blue. Take a small size brush with some black paint and draw a straight line from the left side of your canvas to the right side of your canvas. Once you're done with that, take a smaller brush and start to draw the top curves of your mountain. Once you're done, use black paint to fill in between both lines. Using the same brush and black paint, paint a wide U shape at the bottom of your canvas, filling it in all black all the way to the very end of the bottom portion of your canvas. Next, we're going to take our fine brush and we're going to start pulling up squiggly lines from the bottom of our canvas, some longer than others, some extending all the way up into the sky. Now, add lines going in one direction on your tallest stems. Here you can go crazy. If you feel like making a palm tree, do it. If you feel like making a flower, have fun. This is a silhouette of anything that you'd like to create here. So your painting does not have to look exactly like mine. This is just some tips to help you to create your own masterpiece. You can add a second layer of black paint into your grass so that it could be very bright and bold. Now, if you'd like to add birds, still using your small paintbrush, take some black paint and draw an M, making sure that your M is more like a V and it curves very slightly on the ends. Using a clean brush, take some white paint and draw a circle in your sky. This is going to be your moon. Place it wherever you'd like. Now, using the back of your paintbrush, take some white paint and start to dot your stars in the sky. Now your painting is done. Thank you so much for painting with me today. See you next time.